Hey y'all, this is Lady TZTD coming back at you with a video. Lady TZTD. So hopefully I'm holding the camera correctly. Y'all know I have issues with this camera. Happy hump day. Hope all is well with you. Yes, this is a quick video. I just want to show you the outfit of the day. Let's get into it. My hair is a burgundy, I would say purple and burgundy kind of blend and black. Shawty do. That I really like, and I love the color. I hope y'all can catch that color in there. And it's a Shawty do I recently purchased. I have to do a haul or a review on the do. Okay, plain makeup, nothing special. It is a hump day. It's a day of the week, nothing big time. It's day wear. So I just did a day easy eye and a it's supposed to be a purple lipstick. And the secret to lipstick, you guys, if you can't find a color that you have, if you have eyeshadow, you can damp the eyeshadow and put it on your lips as well. So that's that little purplish color I'm trying to bring out and blend it in with my my hair. The top is like a jersey type of material. It does zip up in the front and it comes down a little bit like midway in my bra. And so with it still being, I don't know what it is. They say it's spring, but it's fall or winter. I have no clue. It feels like it. So it's about 50 degrees here, 50-something degrees, windy. So I can't just wear the top by itself. So I thought I'd put on this little off the shoulder. You can wear it on the shoulder, but I'm kind of like letting it cascade off and let it be, you know, it's comfortable. Let it fall how I want to fall, type of pullover type of I would say bell sleeve, not really bell sleeve, but maybe back sleeve sweater I've had for a while, and just some black leggings. And I'm gonna have on my shoes are just the Michael Kors little flats. Again, hubby and I are just going out to grab some dinner. Got some hoops on, some like copper gold hoops, some jewelry, just the gold, some gold little bangles, and a little purple ring, just to blend in with everything else. And so this is a quick outfit of the night. I probably just grab my Michael Kors bag, maybe, or just whatever purse I'm carrying right now. I don't have to be matchy, but this is casual, as y'all can see. Black leggings, stretchable leggings, and this is my outfit of tonight. Thanks for watching, Lady TZCD, and I do appreciate you guys. If y'all give me a thumbs up, a comment, share if you like. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.